Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Bifold Door Track is probably one of the most overlooked components when it comes to home improvement projects, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bifold door tracks, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you avoid the common pitfalls. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, this video will equip you with the knowledge to choose the perfect track for your needs. Number 5. Primeline N7534 Bifold Door Repair Kit. Is your bifold door giving you trouble? This repair kit is designed to restore your door to optimal performance. It includes all the necessary components to get your door working like new again. The kit includes top and bottom brackets, pivots, and a guide wheel, all constructed from steel and plastic. This ensures that it is durable and can withstand daily use. It's built to last. This kit is compatible with doors from 1 to 3/8 inches thick and up to 50 pounds. It works with many brands, including Acme, Alliance, and Kenna Frame. It's a versatile solution for your door repair needs. This kit includes one jamb and floor mount pivot bracket, one bottom pivot, and more. With this kit, you can easily replace missing or damaged hardware. It's a simple fix for a common problem. Primeline specializes in home repair and replacement hardware. This commitment to quality ensures that the repair looks as good as the initial install. Trust this product for a reliable solution. Before ordering, please refer to the line art for dimensions. Make sure it matches your needs. This ensures that it will fit your door correctly. What we like. This repair kit is your go-to solution for fixing those pesky bifold doors. It's compatible with many brands, so you don't have to worry about finding the exact match. If you have a damaged door and want a quick fix, this kit is perfect for restoring your door's optimal performance. What people say. The track is well designed. The product works as advertised. The installation was straightforward. Number 4. National Hardware N343-715 Folding Door Hardware Set. This is a complete hardware set for bifold doors. It includes everything you need for installation. It's a convenient and comprehensive solution. Installation is easy. You can quickly set it up without any hassle. This product is designed for user-friendly installation. With this hardware, you'll have full access to your closets. It maximizes the usable space. It's a practical and efficient design. It's surface mount, so no mortising is required. This simplifies the installation process. This feature saves you time and effort. It offers 4-way adjustability for smooth operation. You can fine-tune it for optimal performance. This ensures a seamless user experience. The hardware is concealed for a clean look. It enhances the aesthetic appeal. This design element adds a touch of elegance. What we like. This set offers a complete solution for your bifold door needs. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a hassle-free upgrade that maximizes your closet space, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The track is well designed and functions smoothly. The product works perfectly. The installation was straightforward. Number 3. National Hardware N343-731 60-inch white folding door set. This is a complete hardware set for bifold doors. It includes everything you need for a smooth and easy installation. You'll have your doors up and running in no time. This set is designed for 60-inch white double folding doors. It's perfect for indoor use and will give you full access to your closets. The clean white finish will complement any decor. The surface mount design means no mortising is required. This makes installation quick and easy. You can save time and effort with this convenient feature. This hardware set allows doors to be folded completely out of the way. This gives you full and easy access to your closets. You'll be able to see and reach everything with ease. It features 4-way adjustability for smooth operation. This ensures the doors open and close effortlessly. You can fine-tune it for the perfect fit. The set is designed for easy installation. The included instructions make the process straightforward. You'll be enjoying the benefits of this hardware set quickly. What we like. This hardware set is designed for larger openings, providing full access to your closet. It allows doors to be folded out of the way, maximizing space. If you need a reliable and functional solution for a wider closet, consider this one. What people say. The track is well designed and functions smoothly. The product works as advertised and is easy to install. The Bifold Door Track is a great product with smooth operation. Number 2. National Hardware N343-723 48-inch Bifold Door Hardware Set. This is a complete hardware set designed for bifold doors. It includes everything you need for a smooth and easy installation. It's the perfect solution for maximizing space. This set is designed for 48-inch white double folding doors. It's a great way to update your closets or any space where you need flexible access. The white finish blends seamlessly with most decors. The hardware is compatible with doors ranging from 7/8-inch to 1 to 3/8-inch thick. This versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of door sizes. Ensure the perfect fit for your specific needs. Installation is a breeze with its surface mount design, eliminating the need for mortising. This simplifies the process and saves you time and effort. It's a user-friendly solution for any homeowner. This hardware set allows you full access to your closets. The bifold design allows the doors to fold completely out of the way. It maximizes your storage space. Enjoy smooth and effortless operation with 4-way adjustability. This feature ensures the doors open and close with ease. It provides a reliable and long-lasting performance. The bifold design allows the doors to fold neatly out of the way. This is ideal for maximizing space and providing clear access. It's a practical and stylish solution. What we like. This set is ideal for standard-sized openings, ensuring full access to your closet. It allows doors to be folded out of the way. If you are looking for a complete and easy-to-install solution for your bifold doors, this is a great option. What people say. The track is well designed and functions smoothly. The product works as advertised and is easy to install. The Bifold Door Track is a great product. Number 1. HELEMAN Bifold Door Hardware Repair Kit. Are your bifold doors causing you headaches? This HELEMAN repair kit is the perfect solution. It includes everything you need to get your doors working smoothly again. This kit comes with top and bottom brackets, pivots, and guide wheels. It's designed for doors from 1 to 3/8 inches thick and up to 50 pounds. You'll find all the necessary components inside. Installation is a breeze with the included instructions. You can quickly repair your doors without replacing them. This saves you both time and money. Made from stainless steel and nylon, this hardware is built to last. The pivots and guide wheels ensure the doors glide open and closed effortlessly. This prevents any stuttering or noise. This kit is suitable for various door types, including closet doors, barn doors, and more. It's a versatile solution for many of your door repair needs. Before purchasing, please refer to the size picture. HELEMAN offers 24-hour professional customer service. We are always here to help resolve any issues. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary components for a smooth and effortless door operation. It's made of high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. If you like a quiet and reliable door system for various applications, you should consider it. What people say. The track is well designed and functions smoothly. The product works as advertised, providing a seamless bifold door operation. The track's design allows for easy installation and adjustment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.